This is the chart I'm going to be using for the horseshoe lace design. It has, the circles will be the holes that will be left in the lace. The little upside down V stitch with the line through it is where the stitches will be combined into one stitch. This is a 12 stitch repeat with a 10 row repeat. On the bed of the knitting machine, I have placed with very easily washable marker a blue lines that represent the very edges of the pattern, and a red line that represents the stitch where two stitches will be combined into one. On the first row of the pattern, it shows one hole, then 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this extra line here represents the 5th stitch that will be put onto the center needle, and then it will be repeated going the other way on the other side. So I'm going to move 2 stitches over. Two more stitches over. And then 1. And then on the other side, two stitches, two stitches, and 1. And then once again, one, two, two, and 1. So you see here it has openings, which are the O's on the pattern, and then right in the center it has the combined stitches, and then 1 stitch will be left between each one for the edge stitches. Okay, this blank row here indicates that it's a plain knit row. So on the 3rd row, you're going to have 4 stitches go that way and 4 stitches go that way. Now knit 2 rows. You can start seeing a little bit of the pattern and ignore the purple fluff. My knitting machine needs to be cleaned. Now we're gonna do the 5th row. In this case, it needs to move 1, 2, 3 stitches to the right or to the left, and 3 stitches to the right. Makes it easy with the 3-prong transfer tool because you can move all 3 at once. Now go ahead and knit 2 rows. On the next row, you're going to move 2 to the left and then 2 to the right. Knit 2 rows. Oh no! Looks like a needle had stuck out when I was knitting and pulled the thread. Since this is just a sample, I'm going to leave it and ignore it for now. If I was working on a project, I will pull out this row and fix it. Now we're working on the last row. So you're going to move 1 to the left and 1 to the right. And knit 2 rows. So this is the completion of the knit pattern. I'm going to work a couple more repeats so that I can then take it off, block it, and show you what it looks like when it's completed. This is what the horseshoe lace looks like unblocked. Notice it has a ridge down the center. There is another version that can be done so it does not have a ridge. But that ridge in the center is actually right where the red markings are, where all the stitches are combined together. Now I'm going to block the piece and show you what it looks like when it's dry.